for my base today, I've already gone in with the Tarte Poreless Mattifying Primer, and then I went in with the Tarte Amazonian Clay Foundation in the color Medium Tan Honey. So my foundation doesn't match perfectly, but we'll fix that with powders and other things later on. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with concealer. Right now I'm using two different kinds. It's a little extra, I know, but I'm using this Bye Undereye from It Cosmetics, and then I'm also using the Tarte Shape Tape. They're two different consistencies and two different colors, so I like combining the two and I like the way it looks. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the It Cosmetics one first, and then go in with the Tarte Shape Tape. Okay, and now I'm going to blend together my concealer and my foundation so there's no line of demarcation before we set it with powders. So to set my under eyes, I'm going to be using this one from Mercier. This is her Secret Brightening Powder for the under eyes. Oops. Okay, it's a little bit dumped on my hand. This powder's too good to waste, so we're going to start with this little collection here. I'm just going to be using this little brush. Alright, we saved it. Saved it. There we go. So now I'm going to set the rest of my skin using this Smooth Operator Amazonian Clay Tinted Pressed Finishing Powder in the color Medium. It gives just a light wash of color, and then I also use it to just lightly contour my cheekbones and my forehead just a little bit. Now that I've applied the powder, I'm going to go ahead and blend that together as well with that same stippling brush. So now I'm going to go in with MAC's Give Me Sun bronzer, and I'm going to add just a little bit more color to the areas that I just applied that pressed powder, just to deepen up the color a little bit. So until I see what the eyeshadow looks like, then I'll go in and apply some blush. But I don't really know what look I want to go for today. I don't know how it's going to turn out. I just have a picture of it in my mind. So we'll do the blush color towards the end with the highlighter. So the main eyeshadow palette I'll be using today is from Kylie Cosmetics. This is the Eye of the Storm palette that she just recently launched. It is the darker of the two palettes that she created. The colors are so pretty. So the look that I'm wanting to go for today is a green smoky eye. So I'm going to be using the green color for sure, and then a couple of other colors to accent and transition the look. Let's go ahead and get started. Oh, did you guys want to maybe come in a little bit closer so you can see what I'm doing a little bit better? Alright, let's come in. Come in closer. Come on. Okay, that's better. So I'm going to take this pale nude color and just set my eyes. Can't really see it, so it's just going to act as our base. Now I'm going in with the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills with a small pencil brush, and I'm taking the color Raw Sienna to act as my transition color. Couldn't really find one that I wanted to use in the Kylie palette, so I went in with this one. I'm just gonna I'm gonna buff that out with a large fluffy brush. This look requires a lot of blending. So now I'm gonna go in with the green shade from the Kylie Cosmetics collection. I'm gonna wet the brush. I'm using a flat brush to apply this color. And just take your time with it. I just wanted to make sure that the lines were nice and crisp. But it glides on really, really well, and it's so pretty. It's got nice reflex of different colors in it. Love it. So once you have the green color completely on the eyelids, we're gonna go in with the purple color, which I believe is called Whirlwind. It's like the deep plum color in the Kylie Cosmetics palette. And with a small pencil brush, I'm gonna be putting this in the crease and then diffusing it out with that same fluffy brush. So I keep going back and forth until I'm happy with how much the color has built up, and to blend it out until there are no harsh lines. And it just gives it this cool smoky look. And just to liven that green back up, I wet that same flat brush and went back in with the green color. Now I'm going to go in with the Lorac Mega Pro 3 palette and use the first color, which is Pink Cream, to highlight the brow bone. So off camera, I'm going to put on my brows, some liquid liner, lashes, and an eyeliner in my waterline. And now for the eyeshadow on the lower lash line, I'm taking raw sienna again. And with a small pencil brush, I'm applying that and just buffing it out. I also put a little bit of that deep plum color on the outer corners of the lower lash line. And for the inner corner highlight, I'm using this rosy champagne metallic color from the Kylie Cosmetics collection.
Okay, so since we are finished with the eyes, I'm going to go in with blush now, and I'm going to go in with a warmer tone. This one is by Tarte in the color Feisty. So I'm going to take my blush brush and just go to town on this. I love blush. And now for highlight, I'm going to go in with Laura Geller's Gilded Honey. Now I'm just going to mesh everything together with that same stippling brush we've been using all day long. Okay, now for lips, I'm going to do something more neutral on the nude side since our eyes are so colorful. I'm going to go in first with Dulce de Leche from Kylie Cosmetics. And to lighten that up just a little bit, I'm going in with this Urban Decay sheer lipstick in the color Earthling. For an added touch of gloss and shimmer, I'm going to go in with Laura Geller's Color Luster Lip Gloss in the color City Lights. So that completes this green smoky eye look using the new Kylie Cosmetics Weather Collection palette in the Eye of the Storm. I hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, bye!